Today is the last day at the Great Wolf Lodge. We are getting ready to go to breakfast, and we have our last vouchers. We check out at 2 p.m. today, and Jason has Toastmasters at 12. He has a speech to do. So we're gonna go to the pool because we did everything on the Wolf Pack, everything on the pup and the Wolf Pass. I mean everything. So we didn't really take advantage of the water park like we could have, because yesterday was a tornado drill. We was gonna stay in there longer, and the first day we just got here, so we were out there probably maybe a total maybe 3 hours both days. But anyway, I'll talk to y'all later because there's music coming up. So anyway, we're gonna go back to the water park for a short time.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I go the highway, and in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, I don't complain. Just got 'em, you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity.
No, it's because I was on the ride first. I can't see if it's clear or not. Kaya, where you going? You gonna come sit up here? No, don't take it off. Why you gonna take it off? Okay, the boys and I enjoyed this little area where you play basketball. The water is really warm over here. We was really happy because the wave pool was just cold. It was cold because we didn't get on a ride first, but it was so warm over here. And it was really crowded the first day when we came on Sunday and a little bit on Monday. But today it was like really peaceful over here. And I just played basketball with them, and we just floated in the water. And this is the only thing we went to on this day, and then we left. Okay guys, so we are out. We're getting ready to leave. We all packed up. So we're getting ready to go. We got 3 of these carts. We had fun. Y'all had fun?
Y'all had fun? Yeah, we had fun. Even the bit we had fun. Alrighty. We didn't walk around the hotel like we normally do. Because Jason was like, this is a big hotel. Because he went to the business center and he did his, Why, what?
You got that little bit of soda, you won't just drink it so we can throw
I don't want no more.
it.
I'm done. He went to the business center to do his Toastmaster speech he had to do today. Well, we went to the pool, but we came back early. But anyway, we out, y'all. We cleaned up this mess. From now on, I'll always bring big trash bags. It was fun. Next time as well, we won't eat at certain places. We'll walk around the hotel and we will leave and venture out. Oh, I need to wash my hands. We out.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations in the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad.
Ain't gonna work on that.